How to change Gmail address. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your email username on your mobile phone. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. And once you have opened it, simply tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. And after that, simply go to the settings. And once you are in the settings section, simply tap on the general. And from there, simply choose account and device preferences. And here you will see the option to edit your user contact email. So simply update your email. For example, I will change my email, and once you have made the changes, simply tap on save. Now, a verification email will be sent to your Gmail inbox. So, open your email and find the verification message and follow the instruction to confirm the change. And once you have completed the verification, your email username will be successfully updated. And that's it. Now you know how to change your email username on your mobile phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.